Welcome to AngularJS Introduction tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the basics of AngularJS. AngularJS is a JavaScript framework which actually extends HTML with new attributes. So this makes it perfect for single-page applications. AngularJS version 1.2 was actually released in 2012. Misko Havry, a Google employee, started to work with AngularJS in 2009, which actually turned out very well, and the project is now officially supported by Google. In order to use AngularJS in HTML page, we need to include the following script tag in HTML page. By including this script tag, we could actually extend HTML attributes using AngularJS directives, and also we could bind the data to HTML using AngularJS expressions. In this particular example, we actually used three ng directives. The ng-app, ng-model, and ng-bind are the three ng directives which we used in this example. So ng-app directive defines an AngularJS application, whereas the ng-model directive binds the value of HTML controls to application data. Here in this example, we are actually binding this input control to the application data, and the ng-bind directive binds the application data back to the HTML view. So let's see how this example loads in the web browser. Okay, so now you could see an input box present here and just type some value. Okay, so now you could actually see the model and view are actually binded together, and the value is dynamically being populated as we are actually typing it into the name input box. We could also uh, initialize this using a different ng directive. So let's use ng dash init here and initialize the name variable to a different value, and let's reload the web page. So now you could see the value is actually initialized to Bill, and that is being dynamically binded both to the model and the view. In order to make valid HTML, using data dash as a prefix is recommended. So let's replace all the ng directives in this example with data dash as prefix, and let's reload and verify. Okay, so now you could see this is actually working fine and also producing valid HTML. In order to bind the data, we could also use AngularJS expressions instead of data dash ng dash bind directive. So let's see a quick example of using a simple AngularJS expression. So let's define another p tag using some value first expression, and let's do some quick sum of 2 plus 8, and let's close the tag. So let's reload this again. Okay, so now you could see the JavaScript expression is being evaluated and dynamically displayed as the 2 plus 8 value to be 10. So in order to replace the ng-bind directive usage, we could actually comment this out and try out to reproduce the same value using the JavaScript expression of defining it in curly braces. So let's define this AngularJS expression here in the two curly braces, and let's reload the web page again. So now you could see this is still working fine. The bill value is being displayed properly. So let's evaluate this by entering a different value. So now you could see it is still the model and view are still binded, and the AngularJS expression, which is actually present in the two curly braces, is being displayed properly. So with this, we covered the basic elements of AngularJS, and to further explore AngularJS, we'll be going into the deeper details in further videos. Thanks for watching the video.